What's up, Dame Gang? This your boy Dame Dash, and we're back with another video for y'all. Hey y'all, did you miss us? Oh shoot, the focus is off. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Hey y'all, we got Popeyes chicken. We were going to go try the new chicken sandwich, the Cajun, the blackened chicken sandwich, but they ain't got none. They ain't had nothing at this Popeyes. Let's do a thumbnail, y'all. While y'all are ready to eat.
Give me a piece of chicken, baby, or hold this cup.
Come on, not a fry. Pick up something else, alright.
Pick up the chicken.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Dang. Okay, go
Pick
ahead.
it up.
Go ahead. Do it, girl.
Oh, be careful. There you
Do
go.
it then.
This thing is massive.
Scoot over towards Mylan. Oh, there you go. Good
This
job.
is massive, guys.
Okay.
You actually back here trying to eat it,
Right. Okay, we got Popeyes. Oh my God. Let's eat a little bit. Oh y'all, I'm eating the Be-Love hot sauce with mine. The slapping and the hectic, the danger's sitting here, but I don't know why. It's over here in the back, but we not gonna fool with that today. I got a challenge I gotta do very soon. Tim Sandwich just put out. I'm gonna do that probably in the next couple days.
baby. You'll smash.
But yeah. Woo. Okay. Let's eat. I'm starving.
We've been eating.
Let's see.
You guys see how big this is? It's the size. It's the size of my hand.
Oh.
Ooh. Oh, and I got some jalapeno peppers. Y'all see I've been uploading. Thank y'all so much for watching. I see the comments.
Y'all tuning in.
They saying, they're like, I see you. I'm here uploading every day on both channels. I missed the first 2 days of December already over here though.
Maybe it's right. All right, little girl.
I want some of that.
Go red beans and rice.
I don't want you to come in like 1 million times. I'm not gonna be able to eat this whole thing.
You can't, yeah. That's yourself.
I'll try.
Excuse me.
Hello, my good people.
Yeah, baby.
What do you for something like this?
Baby, keep moving your big old fuzzy sweater. You should took this thing off.
I know you hot.
I'm actually not.
You know? I had to take my sweater off. Oh shoot, I can't see where I'm putting this. It's good. I ain't gonna fall off. Okay. Y'all, these biscuits actually look real good today. So I'm about to bite it. It's soft. It ain't dry. A little buttery.
Ariya.
Yes. I'm gonna wash our voice.
Yeah, I'm starving.
With some, oh, that's so good.
This for you guys to know, mine's really rude to my game pigs and cat.
Yeah.
You are. Well, he really does not care about the game pigs, but I do.
Ariya asked for these pets. If her daddy go out and buy them, and then Ariya don't want to be responsible for them. Like I tell her, it's not my job to take care of the pets that you asked for.
I don't take care of them.
No, you don't, because you don't feed your guinea pigs. Guinea pigs be crying. You don't got no water.
No, I give them water this morning.
Oh yeah, do you give them food every day? on your own? Don't I always gotta tell you? Just like you eat every day, they need to eat every day.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mom,
That's me.
I'm sorry I stretched my face, but I'm really hungry.
What's that sorry for? Ariya, look. But you go give that sweater.
Sorry.
This slapping is so good.
Slapping.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry, my fuzzy thing is
This one is real good. Thank you, baby. You got your too much elbow on the table.
Sorry. Uncle Mom, I'm pretty sure a lion wouldn't be able to eat this entire thing.
A who?
A lion. You see how big this is?
Oh my goodness, is that big? A long.
Oh yeah, a lot of you guys
Couple.
in the last couple of videos, I think, was asking where did I get all of the stuff from, like the great stuff. Everything came from Hobby Lobby. The air fryer, I got it from Target. All that information, all that stuff is in my. All that stuff where I got everything from, the shopping, everything is in my vlog. What is happening? Why did that stop?
Blockchain.
Hold on, y'all. The recording stopped. Okay, we're back. I don't know what happened with my audio.
Audio went kapooey. Kapooey.
What's up like that?
Alicia, please.
Don't come around.
Mm-hmm. Hitting the spot. I needed them. Did anybody eat today? Did y'all eat today?
I ate a peanut butter Jones sandwich, chips, and a piece of ice cream.
And a who?
Piece of ice cream.
A piece of ice cream? Man, all I had was a little chips. This is my first time eating.
What I have?
I said nothing.
I don't think I ate today. Yeah.
Mom, when you get a pet, don't ask me to take care of him. You're going to be taking care of him.
I sure would ask you that.
Same for you.
Because you know that my pet died.
What? What did you say?
I'm confused on how y'all still talking about that.
That's Ariya.
That's Milo.
You brought it up. I did.
That was him. I can't eat this entire thing.
You doing it?
Kind of.
Popeye's lemonade is real good.
No, it's not.
You don't like this?
That's a little, what's that? Syrupy.
I think mine's good. Mine's a little watered down. Gotta be.
What's that with a watermelon now? What need napkin?
Is that how you get asking?
You always got something smart to say. Why is that?
I don't know. I'm a smart kid.
Oop. I demolished that breast. Yeah.
And second of all, I'm smart. I get school.
Not second of all.
Well, first of all,
I don't know what I'm about to say.
What I'm about to say.
I'm grateful. Feel. Now you like it for me?
Yeah, I do.
I just have to be chicken.
But you say you didn't like it.
I like it. Why you trying to drink it off?
I was hungry.
And I think I'm about to drink it all. I think it's just like right here. Yeah.
Ooh. I think every time we eat Popeyes, we'll be real quiet on camera.
That's because we be tearing it up. I almost put hot sauce on my biscuit.
I'm the one who was really quiet because yummy.
I need some of these bands.
Huh?
These bands. These bands.
You need some. I don't know. Okay.
Look at this, guys. I'm really finished.
You said you need something to eat the beans?
Bands.
You want them?
Bands.
No, stop doing it. That's not like that.
What am I saying?
Beans.
No, I'm
Because
not.
I didn't know.
Damn it, what you don't know what I'm saying?
Bands? Bands?
I need them to do these bands.
There's some
Bones.
There you go. I need them to do these bands.
I'll smash
Ariya,
I'll smash the bones in your face. And
you just want to
bounce.
get. You want to just get into it so bad.
Watch yourself. Got it.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now you know I'm gonna have to do that.
I know you are like the middle word, girl. But I really gotta put you in your place. Yeah.
Woo.
Yeah.
Hey. You know that dang on elbow. You want to keep on turning around and being ghetto. You keep on knocking stuff over with the elbow.
Ghetto. You got too bad now. Too bad. Baby, we told this chicken. Damn.
Man.
Who ate the most?
Me.
I'm here. It's my third piece.
Oh, is it? Mm-hmm.
Cause look at this thing, Mal.
That's your first one, girl. I didn't say about 4-5.
That's because you ain't eat no breast.
No, bro.
You ate everything else though.
Hold me a little of the wing and a leg go.
Fire. Pressure.
No, I'm sorry, but this. Oh god. You can drink the ice.
Ooh,
I
excuse
can
me.
eat the ice.
Pressure!
This is plain.
Yeah, I ain't put no honey on it.
Huh?
Oh, they probably didn't get out no honey.
Okay, that.
Woo!
Excuse me.
Yeah! Mama, eat the jalapeno. But what?
Eat a who?
Jalapeno. Eat a jalapeno. A jalapeno.
No,
Why not?
because
Just try it. I'll eat one with you.
First of all, don't play with my stuff. Y'all better share that same one. Put that on.
Get the little one. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Don't play with it.
you're in the other half.
Okay. No, you ain't gotta take no big old bite.
Oh,
Chew it.
You let all the good juice go. That's what you want.
Swallow it.
Why you playing her like that? You ain't even eating now.
Yeah, I ain't gonna really eat. I ain't gonna
Eat it. Eat it.
Alright, we'll see.
Eat it.
You'll share that lot.
My grandfather, remember?
Yeah, I forgot you told me to drink the ice.
That's when you get to call me ungrateful a million times.
You don't know how to let stuff go. That was like how many hours ago?
You are ungrateful.
That makes it 1,000,000,001.
I'm good now. I feel good. Got some food in me.
No hugs.
On my lunch break.
I wasn't hugging you, sis.
Lunch break. I'm gonna be hugging my cat.
I'm gonna be hugging my cat.
And my uncle.
Purr.
Not you, though. You're not some dust.
Uh-oh.
I don't care, I'm grateful.
Nah, stop calling my hat.
Oh, excuse me. They didn't pluck their feathers off this shit again.
You see a pepper?
What's wrong?
You ran across a pepper.
I'm full.
You full?
Yeah.
Off that breast.
Yes.
Dang, man, let's scrape the beans out of there again. Hungry?
Hi, hungry. I'm gonna call you hungry. Hungry.
Is there any more potatoes?
Hungry. You're hungry.
Yep.
Yeah.
Alright, come on.
You're hungry.
The mashed potatoes and red beans and rice is not given. What they normally give.
I can't tell.
What?
I couldn't tell. Did the chicken give what it was supposed to give? Okay. Nothing gave what it was supposed to give. Okay.
I was hungry. No, because remember all that junk was talking? Get off me.
You don't want to cook to me, Miley. Okay.
Woo. Okay. I feel good. We did a thumbnail already, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Woo! We devoured that chicken!
We had a 12-piece. Oh my god. All them emails. We got
Mama, bust out in the wrap.
3, 4. We got 4 pieces of chicken left.
I don't know how to rap.
Y'all hear me go.
Yo.
We 3LW.
Yo. Yeah, what?
We 3LW.
I'm not, what?
Come on, let's go.
Yo, I'm about to flow. By the dough. You little. Yes, your turn.
There you go. Go ahead, Mama.
No.
You next. Go
Let
on.
me sing.
Check
Here
it.
you go.
Check it. Check it.
Or you
Go.
can sing, Ariya.
What?
Any song.
Any song. It don't matter what
Is
you.
it okay if I sing my
Okay.
hit you with that do. That's my favorite song in the world.
But it's not even a song.
Yes, it is. It's from
Hit you
Blackpink.
with the do. That's it.
It's from Blackpink.
Sing that song you were singing. I can have my Gucci.
No chance.
Why?
What's that other song that you
Even
been
in my
singing?
Louis Vuitton.
No,
even
not that
with
song.
nothing
It's another song that you be you been singing, and then when you started off and she finished shit.
Don't blame Mr. Charlie. That
Mr.
was.
Charlie's just a man.
And he's doing the best he can.
No, not that song.
Not that.
No, it's a song. You say the word, or you'll be finishing. Y'all just did it yesterday, 1,000,001 times.
We always do stuff like that. I don't know.
Remember. Wait, what did we say?
I don't know. I can't remember.
How did it go?
I don't know.
Man, we just be randomly
Sing
doing
the
that.
song you be singing, Mama. Sing the song. Let me hear.
Let's kill this love.
Okay, no, sing the next one.
Yeah.
Because that's not it.
That was my
What's the
favorite.
next one?
A, B, C, D.
No, not that
Stop
one.
covering my mouth with that big old bear sweater.
No, that's not it, Mama. Go ahead. What's the next one?
Yeah.
Is it TikTok?
I don't know.
Is it the song I sing and she just be listening to?
Maybe. What is it?
Makes my pickle with.
I don't know.
Nope, not that one.
I don't know. Dang, when you put me on the spot.
Black butter.
There you
Oh yeah! That color. That's when we was the Santa Claus. What was that? I got them moves like Jagger. Then she was like, no, smooth like butter, got criminal undercover. I don't know the other words though. Do you?
No. I'll look it up.
That's the only part we kept on singing.
Because what was you
like
saying?
butter.
You were saying one word.
I was like,
No, you were saying one word.
Wait.
She was
I
just
think
finished.
it's like smooth like butter, like criminal undercover. Just like that.
what was
I don't know.
Okay, what?
what?
What
What was it? Because I was saying he got the moves like Jagger. He got
You
the
keep saying
moves
that,
like
that's
Jagger.
not-
Because it was like then Ariya jumped in. Then we just started singing that song. But I'm trying to find the other part.
Man?
Smooth like butter,
like criminal undercover.
I was singing one part. I don't know. Dang. But yeah, that's our jam.
Mine don't jiggle.
It flows.
Makes you want to wiggle.
For sure.
Makes you want to dribble. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ride my fear. You really have to see it. 6'2" in a compact. I forgot the other word.
What's another song we be singing?
I
I like when you sing. When you be like, she was in her room. I heard her. She was like, I'm gonna have my Gucci.
No.
Oh, I didn't sing it.
I never heard of them here.
When she be in her room, she by herself. I be in the kitchen or something. I just hear her like,
Go ahead, Mama, let me
I have
hear.
my Gucci.
You pinky promise.
Even nothing.
You pinky promise you will delete this part. You promise you will delete this part.
Why am I deleted?
You promise you will delete this part.
No, you ain't even seen that.
You a star.
None of even know you know the words. Go ahead, sing it. Let me hear you.
Sing it, baby. Let me see.
I'm singing in my head though.
Ariya, don't be shy.
Why you on your neck down like that?
Ow!
Don't be shy. Smooth
have
like
it.
butter.
I'm showing mine. You the one all like this.
I do have it.
Yeah, you have one, but why you sitting like this?
I don't know. Fine. Only one time.
Okay.
You so lame, Ariya.
Okay.
Loser.
Come on, you was just about to sing it. Ariya, come on, focus. 1, 2, 3.
I can.
Don't look at the camera. Just sing behind for if you feel shy. Okay. Okay, look at me and do it. There you go. Go ahead. Let
You guys can't force me. Yeah, I'm not doing it. I'll sing one song.
No, don't nobody hear. No, because nobody would hear
Hit
that.
you with that do. I'm better dancing than both of you guys.
Girl, I bust a move real fast.
Bust one.
One. What you? Oh, that's falling.
Hit you with that do.
Okay, if
You
you
bust a move.
okay, wait.
Bust one.
If you can do the do, why you can't sing the other song? What's the difference? You don't even got to dance with that one.
I know. What?
I can have my Gucci. Let's sing it together. Ready?
Why you can't sing it?
Come on. 1, 2, 3.
I
can have my Gucci.
I'll get you.
I can have my Vuitton. Even nothing. Ariya!
Why you doing that for?
What's so different? What's so different with
Put
this
your
song?
finger on.
Excuse me.
Here you go, going too far.
Excuse me. What's the difference between this song and all the other songs you just sat there and sung?
I don't know.
No, I can sing it. Don't, Felicia.
Anyway,
Ariya.
as soon as the camera go off, all you gonna hear is I can have my Gucci. Oh,
Uncle, put some hair.
I can have my Louis Vuitton, even with nothing. I make you.
My dad.
I Okay, y'all, stop. Ariya.
Because who is y'all? I'm grounded.
Security.
I'm about to get out. Both of y'all. You two, out. Get off the set.
I'm security.
Get
And
up.
the start of the show.
Oh, but then you want to be all shy. Why do you want to get There's somebody coming in here.
What is
Somebody
that?
live down there.
That's crazy.
That's the garage.
That's
Bye.
crazy that this room is over their garage because that door is locked.
Okay, guys, I was singing by myself, but you're covered, okay?
Okay.
I can have a Gucci yacht. I can wear my Louis on, even with nothing on. That's the only part.
Yeah, delete all that. Nobody want to hear that. That was weak. You ain't singing how you be singing it in your room.
Sorry.
Weak sauce.
You just said the words. You gotta get it good. Get it good.
Okay. I can wear my Gucci on.
Gucci on.
I can wear my Louis
Vuitton. Hey, even with nothing on, I made you look. I made you look. Woo! There you go.
You did it, girl. Oh my God, you sound so good. Oh.
That's what you get for doing it to me.
Okay, y'all.
I will buy it.
I know this part of the video is going to be super loud because the mic is going crazy over here on this computer. It's going crazy over here on the computer. Crazy, I tell
And
you.
mine's really rude.
Sir, what are you doing?
Oh my god, the hot.
Actually, I'm talking about the garage door.
This,
Stop, Ariya.
this, what's this shit? The juice, jalapeno juice. Stuck it on my finger. You gotta wipe that off. It's gonna get in your eye. It's gonna have jalapeno in your eye. Alright, you guys, you have been tuning in to the ghetto behind the scenes Ratchet video with Flavors by Dash and these two animals.
Animal.
I'm
Animal.
not an animal. I'm only a beautiful rabbit.
Yeah, a beautiful
Well, the
rabbit.
pink soul. Mine was a tiger with a black soul.
Where they go?
Animals, like I said.
Did you just say I had a black soul?
And a black heart.
That's the basic extreme.
And a pink heart. For roses.
That's a little harsh. Damn.
Damn.
Rude.
Don't worry about it. I'ma be a tiger. I'm the baddest tiger you ever saw. Wit. You know what? Come on.
They're going so many hugs.
I wasn't hugging you. I was beating you up.
You got that big enough?
All right, go.
Yeah.
Stop.
We're about to get up out of here. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone and everyone. Let them know what we're doing over here. We constantly winning, we constantly going. And until the next video, love you. Peace.